Just like this cup keeps filling up as I take a sip out of it, your body keeps on making energy in a continuous loop, and that's the Krebs cycle, your continuous energy generator. Welcome back to episode 2 of our series, where we explain biochemistry in just a few seconds. Today, we are learning about the powerhouse of your body. And no, it's not about mitochondria, but about Krebs cycle. What exactly happens when the mitochondria makes energy inside of your body? This cycle, it's also called as citric acid cycle, are one of the most important chemical reactions that produce energy in an aerobic respiration. So let's break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. In the first step, we have acetyl-CoA, which combines with oxaloacetate, giving us citric acid. This process is done by citrate synthase, and this is where the energy story begins. In the next step, this citrate gets a little makeover and we get isocitric acid. This reaction is catalyzed by aconitase. Now, this isocitric acid turns into alpha-ketogluteric acid, and in this process, we get our first molecule of NADH, which is again a unit of energy. In the next step, you will see that alpha-ketogluteric acid is converting into succinyl-CoA by giving up one molecule of carbon dioxide, and we get another molecule of NADH. So cool, right? Now, this story continues over here where this succinyl-CoA turns into succinate, and you know what we get? An ATP, which is the easiest form of energy that your body can actually utilize. Now in this step, succinate turns into fumarate by giving up one molecule of H2, and you know where that goes? To FAD. FAD turns into FADH2. This then again goes into ETC to make more energy for your body. Then fumarate gets hydrated, therefore the H2O, and that turns into malate. The energy cycle keeps flowing and malate turns back into oxaloacetate to complete the full cycle. In this last step, we again get one more molecule of NADH. Now we have the last molecule of oxaloacetate, which is again ready to welcome another acetyl-CoA, and the cycle keeps turning. So cool, right? Now this cycle generates key molecules like NADH, FADH2 and even ATP, which are then used to power your muscles, your brain, every single cell in the body. Without this, you won't have energy to do anything, not even scroll Instagram right now. But wait, what happens when your body runs low on glucose? Does the energy production just stop entirely? Not at all. That's exactly when gluconeogenesis steps back in. Curious? Stick around for the next post and we will break it down for you in simple steps. Bye-bye.